Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to open your trunk if the battery is dead on your Honda Civic. Alright, if your battery is dead and you need to open your trunk, what you can do is come around to the driver's side and open your rear door and come around to the back here by the seat, and you see this cap right here. We need to pop this cap off using a small flathead screwdriver. Just take your screwdriver and you can see the little opening right there on the end. What we're going to do is we're going to put our flathead right in there, and we're just going to pop this cap off by just prying up on it. And then you can see this loop right here, that's a cable. We're just going to take a finger and put it in the cable there, and we'll just pull on it, and it releases your trunk. And that's it guys. That's how you pop your trunk if your battery's dead. Thanks for watching.